guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this mood color filter on Snapchat. You can tap on the screen to change the color. Okay, let me remove this first. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect on Snapchat, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Okay, and you will see this pop-up on Snapchat, unlock for 48 hours, just tap there. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.